Hello, I'm David with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing, and I'd like to share a story with you. Recently, we had a young couple that had purchased a home and had us come out because they were running out of hot water and had just assumed they were going to need to have a water heater replaced. We were able to save them money by simply adding a booster pump to the existing water heater that they already had, which saved them thousands of dollars. Give us a call or visit our website today for all your plumbing needs. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.